Cinematography tip for the day, the Matthews scissor clip. Have you ever seen this baby? Well, it's a tried and true classic. Anytime you're dealing with a fault ceiling, you have a lighting grid with a scissor clip. Goes right up here, fits right into the channel. You tighten it down. There's these nice little cable hangers that can, hang your cable so it doesn't dangle into the shot. And look at this. This light weighs 6 pounds. No problem for the Matthews scissor clip. And you want to safety this thing, but that's your cinematography tip for today.